We're here in Myrtle Beach. We're gonna check out the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum right behind us. So come along with us. Hi, I'm Carmen. This is Bryant. We're the Adventures of Peas and Carrots. If you're new to our channel and you enjoy travel videos, travel tips, and other travel related stuff, be sure to hit that subscribe and the bell so you won't miss anything. Let's check this museum out. And here is the pricing. Beyond the Beach, tiger shark jaw. That's really big. Here's the lizard man, Eric Sprague. If I said that wrong, let me know in the comments. Vampire woman. This is pretty incredible. Staple art C3PO. There's how many staples are in him, and check him out. Really, really cool. Another statue made completely from recycled car parts in Bangkok. This is amazing. The level of detail is stunning. Here's an authentic mummified cat, so this is not a replica. 2,000 years old. And then also they have a replica of an Egyptian mummy as well. We were laughing about this machine here. You can have the magic hat and tell your fortune. In this exhibit, I have no idea how to say this name, so you'll have to say it for me here. This is pretty interesting. I think this is one of those where bad things happen to people who take things from his tomb kind of thing, so it's kind of interesting. These little screens are interesting because they tell you stories about all the people that were adversely affected when they had interactions with this tomb. This is incredible. It's Robert Wadlow. He was between 8 feet and 11 feet tall. I'm standing here just to give you a comparison of how tall he was. I am actually under 5 feet, so I'm pretty short, but still, this is just amazing. I can't imagine seeing someone walking down the street this tall. What's going on over there? Test your passion? What are you supposed to do? Oh, you have to deposit 50 cents. That's what you have to do. Alright, this is pretty gross. This is a really long title. This is a title record for longest lock of hair. Here it is. Yikes. Here's what everyone needs. A genuine vampire killing kit from 1850. An efficient pistol with its usual assortments. Silver bullets, an ivory crucifix, powdered flowers of garlic, a wooden stake, and Professor Bloomberg's new serum. So funny.
I wonder what the serum does.
I don't know. This is a blast from the past for me. It's the world's longest chewing gum wrapper chain, but the blast from the past part for me is I actually remember people making these. I never made one, but that's pretty funny. Yikes. It actually moved. Wow. Gotcha. It got me good. Brian's gonna test it out. Now we've got Zoltar. This is absolutely incredible. As a coaster fan, this is really neat. It's an entire roller coaster and it's huge, made out of matchsticks. Even got a little Ferris wheel in the middle there. Pretty cool. This is huge. Looks like a portrait of John Lennon made completely out of pennies. It's pretty cool.
Strangest eating habits and most bizarre foods on the planet. You will discover that man
Yikes, cannibal skull.
Believe it or not. not in the fresh
This is a
value
genuine
section.
shrunken
Produces
skull.
some real
What I've always
delicacies.
wanted.
It's always a good idea to wrap it carefully. First of all,
We're gonna take a look at a genuine ancestor head. Where's the head?
Very long.
Wow, it's way down there. This is funny, we got disco music, which is pretty appropriate. Let's see if I can do this without falling down. Whoa. The bridge moves too. This is really hard. Wow. Okay, that was crazy. I'm sure on film we look crazy, but that was really weird. It looks like the whole room is spinning and the floor is moving, so it gives you a really, really weird sensation. All right, this is definitely fun and blast from my past. The color brightness, giant size, like, you know, my hand's like that small. That's pretty neat. This is adorable, little medieval cat armor. I think we've arrived in the pop culture area. We've got some Avengers here, and these are larger than life Avengers. You gonna get in that tiny little car, Brian? Yeah, I don't think you would either. And then we have a Transformer over here as well. This gives you an idea of just how tall these statues are, because Brian's 6'3" and some change, so they're pretty tall. You can buy some genuine larva, ant candy, or crickets. Take your pick. $4, they can be yours. Yet another thing made out of car parts. This is a car parts robot.
I guess they couldn't legally
They
say
can't legally say Transformer. It's pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna film this because it says if you take a photo, it looks
it does
different.
look different.
So I am going to see what happens when I take a still photo, but I have a feeling it'll look the same as the film. Uh-oh, now we found a puzzle. We may be here all day. It says this gate does open. Look for the solution in the room. Well, if it's in the room, I doubt it's right here.
Well, I'm just trying things.
All right, I'm gonna pan this entire room. Oh, did you already find it? All right, so let me pan the rest of the room. We're back to the gate. Brian figured it out while I was wandering around the room. So the sign's kind of misleading because it says look for the solution in the room, but the solution's right here. Go for it.
I was expecting for this post to fall out. No. Push down. There it goes.
There it goes.
That's neat.
Yeah, that is cool. Continuation of the spoiler alert. We were just about to leave the room and now we finally saw the clue. So it actually was in the room, but it's right at the exit. We're gonna see if Brian can grab the jewel.
Ah!
That's funny. This is pretty fun. At the end, it brings you down into an arcade with lots of games. And this is really, really big. There's a lot here. If you enjoy travel content like this, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.